Why does he learn English daily?
He learns English to speak fluently daily.
Why did he learn English yesterday?
He learned English to speak fluently yesterday.
Why will he learn English tomorrow?
He will learn English to speak fluently tomorrow.
Why is he learning English now?
He is learning English to speak fluently now.
Why has he learnt English?
He has learned English to speak fluently. When does he go to school daily?
He goes to school at 9 o'clock daily.
When did he go to school yesterday?
He went to school at 9 o'clock yesterday.
When will he go to school tomorrow?
He will go to school at 9 o'clock tomorrow.
When he is going to school now?
He is going to school at 9 o'clock.
When has he gone to school?
He has gone to school at 9 o'clock. With whom does he play chess daily?
He plays chess with his friends daily.
With whom did he play chess yesterday?
He played chess with his friends yesterday.
With whom will he play chess tomorrow?
He will play chess with his friends tomorrow.
With whom is he playing chess now?
He is playing chess with his friend now.
With whom has he played chess?
He has played chess with his friend. How does he go to college daily?
He goes to college by bus daily.
How did he go to college yesterday?
He went to college by bus yesterday.
How will he go to college tomorrow?
He will go to college by bus tomorrow.
How is he going to college now?
He is going to college by bus now.
How has he gone to college?
He has gone to college by bus. Where does he go daily?
He goes to college daily.
Where did he go yesterday?
He went to college yesterday.
Where will he go tomorrow?
He will go to college tomorrow.
Where is he going now?
He is going to college now.
Where has he gone?
He has gone to college. What does he write daily?
He writes diary daily.
What did he write yesterday?
He wrote a diary yesterday.
What will he write tomorrow?
He will write diary tomorrow.
What are you What is he writing now?
He is writing diary now.
What has written?
He has written diary. We are learning spoken English in
Mary Memorial High School,
and we are sharing with all of you in this video. Thank you.